Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Spotify app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on Spotify. We will go through this instruction in this video. Go on Spotify developer link. On Spotify dashboard, click on Create a Client ID. Here we need to fill app details. Enter app name for Spotify and give its description. Scroll down. Select website as an platform. Click No for integration. Check Spotify all terms and condition and click Submit. Here we need to add callback URL. So click on Edit Settings option. To add website URL, go to Instruction. Copy website URL and paste it in website field. Copy redirect URL. Paste redirect URL and click on Add button. Scroll down and click on Save. Now copy client ID and paste it in app ID. Click Show Client Secret and copy it. Paste it in app secret. Now click on Save. Then click Test Configuration. Click on Agree to authorize Spotify app. User attribute of Spotify app will get display here. Go to your Spotify icon. Here you will get an option to enable and disable icon. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Spotify icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Spotify attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.